AI hustles are exploding in 2025, and most people have no idea how much money is being made right now. Imagine earning real income without an office, a boss, or a 9-to-5 schedule. All you need is a laptop, internet, and a powerful AI tool that's quietly changing the game for freelancers everywhere. Here's what's really happening. While your job might feel secure, your income could be at risk. With inflation rising and rent getting higher, relying on a single paycheck is more stressful than ever. Most people are still trading their time for money, but there's a smarter way. Meet Durable AI. This tool lets you build a complete money-making website in less than 30 seconds. It handles everything: logo, design, content, and even the services you offer. No coding or experience needed. People are using Durable to launch AI-powered freelance businesses overnight. But there's more. Durable doesn't just create site. It gives you a built-in CRM, marketing tools, and AI-powered lead generation. You are not just building a website, you're building a client-getting machine. Want to know how people are landing client and automating their income? Like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next video.